Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Coolers with wheels are the perfect way to keep all your food and drinks cold while you're on the go. Whether headed to the beach, camping, or just taking a road trip, a cooler with wheels makes transporting your beverages and snacks easier. Knowing which is right for you can be challenging with so many options available. In this video, we will explore some of the different types of coolers with wheels and their features. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just someone who likes to stay prepared, investing in a cooler with wheels is a great way to make your life easier. Let's begin with the best for the price. Igloo Ice Cube Cooler. This cooler is made of high-quality polyethylene and is designed to resist the rigors of outdoor adventures. Its ultra-therm insulated body ensures that your drinks stay cold for an extended period, allowing you to savor every sip, even on scorching hot days. The push-button and locking telescopic handle provide easy maneuverability, making it a breeze to transport a fully loaded cooler. Thanks to the durable wheels and reinforced tow handle, navigating different terrains is a seamless experience. The molded side scoop handles further enhance convenience, allowing for effortless loading and unloading. The minor drawback is that the telescoping handle feels slightly flimsy, but with proper care and mindful handling, this handle flaw can easily be mitigated, ensuring a hassle-free experience. In summary, the Igloo Ice Cube Cooler is an exceptional choice for those needing reliable cooling on their outdoor adventures. The next one is the best convenience Coleman 316 Series Cooler. The Coleman 316 Series Cooler embodies quality and adventure, paying homage to the brand's roots. Its fully insulated lid and body ensure ice stays frozen for up to 5 days, even in soaring temperatures of up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and robust tow and swing-up handles make hauling a fully load effortlessly, ensuring you find the perfect spot at the beach or campsite. The cup holders molded into the lid are thoughtful, keeping your drinks within reach while preventing spills. Additionally, the Have a Seat lid offers an extra seating option capable of supporting up to 250 pounds. With a spacious capacity of 101 cans, you'll have plenty of cold drinks to share and enjoy while creating lasting memories. Nevertheless, the exterior can be susceptible to minor scratches, but with proper care and avoiding rough surfaces, these scratches can be minimized, allowing you to enjoy the cooler's functionality and durability for years. The next one is the best easy access Arctic Zone Rolling Cooler. The Arctic Zone Rolling Cooler is a game changer regarding portable cooling solutions. Its Titan Deep Freeze technology keeps your items ice cold for up to 3 days, making it perfect for extended trips and outdoor gatherings. The insulated front compartment and easy access lid provide quick and convenient access to your favorite snacks and drinks. The detachable cart with an expandable extra-wide base and sturdy all-terrain wheels allows you to transport up to 100 pounds of food and drinks effortlessly. The retractable telescopic handle adds convenience, making it a breeze to maneuver through any terrain. Designed with comfort and stability, the Arctic Zone Rolling Cooler features an adjustable back-saver shoulder strap for comfortable travel. Unfortunately, there's no plug to drain excess water, requiring you to empty the cooler manually. However, this minor inconvenience is easily outweighed by the cooler's exceptional performance and convenience. Still haven't found a cooler with wheels that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And the next one is the best durable Yeti Tundra Hall Wheel Cooler. This product has roto-molded construction, ensuring that it can withstand even the harshest environments, making it virtually indestructible. This cooler is built to last, offering unparalleled peace of mind. The first ever Yeti cooler on wheels, the Tundra Hall takes mobility to a whole new level. The never-flat wheels are impact and puncture resistant, allowing you to navigate any terrain effortlessly. The strong arm handle, made from aluminum welded, also provides a comfortable grip and can be towed smoothly in any direction. In addition, its roto-molded construction acts as armor, keeping the cold air trapped inside for extended periods. Your beverages and food items will remain icy cold, ensuring a refreshing experience even in the scorching heat. The only minor drawback is that it is a bit heavy, but it's not a big deal. And the next one is the best design, Igloo 110 Quart Wheeled Cooler. The Igloo 110 Quart Wheeled Cooler is built to endure the toughest adventures. Its polyethylene construction, UV inhibitors, and infrared technology ensure the cooler remains resistant to sun damage. Equipped with thick, ultra-therm foam in both the body and lid, this cooler provides exceptional insulation and can keep your items cold for up to 5 days. Whether embarking on a camping trip or hosting a tailgate party, you can trust the Igloo 110 quart to maintain the perfect temperature for your beverages. The horizontal telescoping handle requires 50% less lifting effort than traditional handles. This design innovation enhances convenience and reduces strain, making it easier than ever to transport your cooler. The soft ride wheels offer a smooth and hassle-free ride, ensuring effortless maneuverability. Nevertheless, it would be best if the wheels could be a little larger. However, this minor drawback does not detract from the overall excellence of this cooler. And the next one is the best adjustable Pelican Elite Wheeled Cooler. This cooler boasts a true 80-quart internal volume and ample space for all your food and beverages. Thanks to its 2-inch polyurethane insulation and 360-degree freezer-grade gasket, this cooler can keep ice intact for up to 10 days. This cooler has molded handles and 3-inch locking latches, ensuring easy transportation and secure closure. The reinforced lockable hasp adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy your outings. Moreover, the anti-shear hinge system guarantees durability, preventing potential damage to the cooler's structure. The molded tie-down slots enable effortless securing during transportation, ensuring that your cooler stays put even on bumpy roads. Additionally, the leak-proof drain plug allows hassle-free cleaning, while the 4 self-draining cup holders offer added convenience when enjoying refreshments. Nonetheless, it may have a slight smell inside upon initial use, but it can disappear after a few uses, so you don't need to worry about that. And our winner today is Coleman Extreme Wheeled Cooler. It's the best overall on all coolers with wheels that we researched. The Coleman Extreme Wheeled Cooler is a game changer for outdoor cooling solutions. Its easy clean lid ensures effortless cleanup, saving you time and energy for more important things like enjoying the great outdoors. The built-in cup holders are thoughtful, providing a secure spot for your drinks and preventing messy spills. The locking telescoping handle also makes transportation a breeze even when the cooler's fully loaded. Thanks to the tall handle that conveniently collapses, you'll appreciate its compact storage design. And let's not forget the heavy-duty wheels that effortlessly glide over any rough terrain, providing smooth transportation for your fully loaded cooler. The only downside is that the lid is a bit hard to open. However, with a slight adjustment in technique or using the handle as leverage, you can easily overcome this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Coleman Extreme Wheeled Cooler offers exceptional convenience and durability for your outdoor adventures. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.